Ferris wheel, same thing. The last one we will see the new marking, which is called pedal down. We have 3 pedal here. Usually the pedal that commonly used is the right side with your right foot down, and make sure your heels on the floor. You only use your front toe to press the pedal down. We will start Ferris wheel, start from right hand, C position, left hand right next to it. And this is combination of skipping and stepping. We start from every for E. Ready, set, go. E, skip, G, skip, go up to F, skip, go down to B, 2, 3. C, skip, now E, skip back. D, B, go down to G, 2, 3, go up, A, go up, C, D, B, skip, C, all the way up to F, 2, 3. E, skip, skip back, G, skip, left hand G, G, go up, 2, 1 and 3. Now pedal down, move your hand higher, C, and even higher to the highest view, to the top. When you play with teacher's duet accompaniment, you play higher. Riding round and around, turning, turning down to the ground. Oh, what a view where we're riding so hard. I just love the Ferris wheel ride. And then you play 3 times higher, and then stay here, 1, 2, 3, and stop.